Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? Anchor coin in last 12 hours, 0.09% just only increase now. But if we check out the Shiba Inu results, so Shiba Inu will get 30% increase, my friend. Absolutely 30% profit. Definitely, it's a really huge target, my friends. But Anchor coin, after a very bad fail, my friend, is wake up and starting moving upward. So I think that is also very high percent share, my friend. You can see it for Anchor coin because Ankr is completely fails down. If we check out, my friend, just in only last 24 hours, so minus 0.39% the price is decreased now. So definitely after a very bad fails, my friends, this temporary pump is wake up. You can see, my friend, absolutely it's really good news for all Ankr coin to they will starting moving upward. All right, so what we will need, my friends, to do for Anchor coin holder, this is very important video, so kindly must watch. All right, so if you are starting holding, then 100%, my friend, there is a chance so they will give you a profit just and only at the end of month, because this time the price is very cheap now. So you can buy it, my friends, and very cheap price. Buy it, my viewers, my subscriber, I will give you 100% good advice, my friends. So please buy it, hold it, and just only wait for the end of month or wait for the next month. I am 100% sure, my friends, today will give you a very huge profit. So don't miss this chance. If you miss this chance, remember to you will never get a profit. If you want to earn money from crypto now, kindly subscribe this channel. My opinion is for all of you to please hold and don't sell. And what's your opinion, share in the comment box. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.